Hey guys, welcome back to another amazing video. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can create deepfakes for free. So make sure to watch this video till the end and follow all the steps properly. And here we go. And so first of all, open up your browser. Now inside your browser, search for Replicate. Now open the first site that pops up. Here you will be able to see a lot of options. This site lets you create deepfakes for free. Now you can upload a picture of your choice and then use a template video to animate the picture. Deepfakes means to animate and motion to a static image. Here the input image section is where you will enter the image, while the drive video is the video template option. Now you can add an image as source by just tapping on the first option available. Click on it and add a suitable image. After that, select the template type and just press enter. After loading for about a minute, you'll be able to receive a result like this. And that's how you can create deepfakes for free. Hope you liked the video. I'll be meeting you in the next one. See you soon. Bye.